evening time, everybody. Hope you all are doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com. DonkeyStomper.com. Big shout out to YouTube channel, Patreon channel members. All right, guys, we got a Dave made M400 for repair that we just repaired. A customer said it had been hit by lightning. Let's say we put a key transistor in it, a couple resistors, fixed the variable, it was loose, tightened it up, went through. It's a 1x4 Toshiba box, and you're good to go, bud. You got lucky on this one. All right, guys, I'll be right back with you on the test review. All right, guys, we're back for the test review here. Let's see what she's doing. We'll start out like we always do, straight through SWR. Oh, we turned her off. Hello, worldwide, there's our 99, straight through SWR, straight through, watts, 1, 2, 1, 2. Turn him on, variable wide open. Then put SWR over in the right-hand corner, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, get on down. 1, 2, might be coming through my camera a little bit, it sounds like. 764, let me turn the volts up. I had to turn down 13. Let's go to 14.8. Hello, worldwide, right on target. It's 14.4 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get on down. Put just a little bit more on there. It was 14.8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1. All right, we'll look at our 5-watt reverse. Says good to go. Our bird, 2500 watt PEP, 500, 10s 1,000. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 800 on the bird. This is 122.90, driving 428.79, Toshiba's Dave made. Let's get over here on the outdoor dummy load, which I have not even tried yet. Don't know what's going to happen. We'll see. Outdoor dummy load. Colossal outdoor dummy load. I had to get on channel 20, it's on channel 28. Hello, worldwide. Yeah, this thing's a little bit, it's got a little, making a little bit of RF in the shop. Get on down, 1, 2, 3, outdoor dummy load. It is coming through the camera's audio a little bit. Hello, 1, 2, 3, that's weird how, certain boxes do that, but mine don't. That's good, though. Alrighty, guys, the Dave Made's up and running and going and ready for you, bud. Still got Toshiba's in it. Guys, I appreciate you watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com, DonkeyStomper.com. Y'all take care. Your friend in 10, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper. Catch you later on. Bye-bye.